Talaria X3 electric dirt bike. Introducing the Talaria X3 concept. The X3 comes equipped with a newly designed 60V 25Ah or 40Ah battery that distributes its weight across the length of the bike. Combine this with the highly anticipated adjustable Talaria factory forks/rear shock, 19 front and 17 rear wheels for the off-road. The lightweight 58 kg chassis combined with the dynamic battery provides the X3 with a range of up to 80 km and a peak power output of 5500 W, allowing you to switch up your riding style at the twist of the throttle.